Alright. This is Zane having his first bite of solid food.
Whoa!
He wants to grab it. I don't think he's too sure. Eat it, buddy. You swallow it.
Put a little bit more water in. Want some more?
He wants to do it himself. Is that good, buddy?
Hey.
You gotta put the bowl down and hold his arms. Callie spilled her fair share of bowls. Wow, Zane, you're doing great, buddy. What do you think, Callie?
Whoa. Whoa.
He's like a little madman.
Hey.
Is that good, buddy? Is that good? It's a whole new world, isn't it, bub? Your life is changing. Your baby grow up so fast.
Okay, you could take some of this.